Hi everybody, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Scorpio, and this is going to be a weekly general reading from the 12th to the 18th of October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everybody. So take the positives and leave the negatives. Cross watchers, you guys are also very much welcome here, and energies can be vice versa, so keep that in mind. And subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And those who haven't, please do so. It would really mean a lot to me. Now you can also follow me in Instagram and in Facebook. All the information is given down below. Now let's start with your reading. Scorpio, yeah, what's that? The thinking woman. So I really feel that there is somebody in your life who's thinking about you, or you are thinking and pondering about something in your life with a thinking woman. All right, this might be somebody helping you with the situation as well. Somebody who is very knowledgeable, who is trustworthy, and who has your trust. All right, now messages, please. What are the messages for Scorpio? We have do to value. Okay, this was my oracle message for today and my Instagram, so you can check that out there as well. The door to value is also about you moving towards a beautiful abundant phase of your life here. So something is waiting for you there. Door to personal healing and happiness, so which means that you are moving towards a more calm and prosperous energy. There is healing, there is money coming into your life, there is balance here. Wow, angel of balance coming into your life. So I feel that there are things being more balanced, right? I am getting that Libra energy and woman holding a heart, which means that things are moving towards a more balance here, all right? We have money, we have, I really feel that this can be also about manifestation. So if you're manifesting something, things are coming into fruition. So their main focus for me is healing, right? When you let it go, take time to be with yourself. um, you know how manifestation works, right? Yeah, you manifest, then you let it go about your things, heal. There is something which clearly says that you need to take time for yourself and heal your body and soul. So you're moving towards a transitory period here, and the angel of balance coming in clearly saying that there is balance coming into your life, and there's a new love offer coming towards you guys with a woman holding a heart. Okay, beautiful. Love, money, and stability. What else do you need? Right? Now, current energy. Current energy for Scorpio. Current energy for Scorpio, please. What are the current energy for Scorpio? Eight of Wands. Okay. This is communication coming in. Eight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. This is fast moving energy. Excuse me. This is somebody coming into your life. This is like fast moving, and this can be communication as well. All right. And we have the sun crossing your spread, which means that this is the most happiest message you are going to get, for sure. So this messages is bringing so much of happiness, abundance, and prosperity. This can be some kind of an awakening as well, right? Leo energy now. What's the base of the spread? Judgment. There is a huge awakening here. All right, this is divine guidance here. This is divine interfering, and I really feel that there's a huge understanding coming towards you. All right, now what's the crowning the energy? The wheel. Okay, there is changes coming towards you. There is movement. There is a flow kind of an energy. There is an ending of a cycle and starting of another. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Yes. Now, what's the immediate past like? So the immediate past is the Ace of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is a new offer which has come by you, bringing some kind of stability. This might be a starting of something huge, and I really feel that with the Ace of Pentacles here, this might be something which is gonna go for a long period of time, a long-term contract or something which is gonna stay with you for a long period of time. All right, Earth energy, more grounding energy. Oh wow, in the immediate future is the Ace of Cups. Love coming towards you guys, a new love offer coming towards you. All right, this can be you offering your cup of love to somebody, or this is true love, guys. So be careful. Okay, this is new beginnings in love here with the Ace of Cups. Now what's your energy like? The Emperor, Aries energy. This is you being steady, stable, authoritative, and very much a leader that you are. So I really feel that you are taking charge of a situation here with the Emperor here. Now what's the environment like? Ten of Wands. You're moving towards an ending of a cycle with the Ten of Wands. This is also about putting down the burden and moving towards a new future. Now what's the guidance? Ten of Pentacles, two tens. Beautiful. Ten of Pentacles talks about stability, right? This can, I wanted to say maturity, but yeah, stability. This is groundedness, right? You're moving towards a more stable energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. And what's the outcome? Justice. So justice, balance is coming towards. I told you we have the angel of balance there. So there is balance coming into your life. There is balance being restored into your life. So I really feel that there is fairness to all here, and this can also be about a Libra in your life, if that's what it means. All right. Now let's get to your clarification. So I really feel that your outcome is complete. Meaning of your reading, which means that things are getting balanced, guys, in a huge way. All right, because that's a major arcana. Things are, huge. How many measures we got? One, two, three, four, and five. One, two, three, four, and five. Yeah, five major arcanas in your reading, guys. Let's get clarifiers. Eight of Wands. Why is Eight of Wands here? Excuse me. Knight of Wands. There is somebody coming towards you with an offer. That's the reason we are getting the Eight of Wands there. So somebody's coming towards you with a passionate new offer. All right. Now let's see. Yeah. And somebody's making a decision. So this is somebody making a decision or somebody trying to defend themselves. It can be you or it can be the vice page of swords. Yeah, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. So I feel that you're making a decision to move forward. You're making a decision to move forward, bring that triumph and recognition in your life. Now, Sun, clarify the Sun. Page of Pentacles, a new offer, a solid offer coming towards you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It might most probably a Virgo, because I really feel that this looks like a spiritual connection or a spiritual journey here. This offer coming towards you, putting you in a place of understanding things more clearly, or you will be taking time to understanding things more clearly here with the Hermit energy. Why is the Hermit here? Because you have choices here. I really feel that you are trying to find options which is the right option for you. So you'll be taking time, be alone, and find which is the right option for you. Okay. Now Judgment. Why is the Judgment here? Okay, we have the Star and OMG, Star and the Empress. So there is guidance here. This is definitely a huge guidance for you guys. So this can be about an Aquarius, or this can be a hope in a situation, and we have an Empress here. So I'm really feeling that you're moving towards a huge, huge beginning here with the Empress and the Star together. What's going on, guys? Now, the wheel. I'm happy for you. Let's see. Why is the wheel here? All right. Oh my God. The Sun. All right. This is the happiest card in the deck, which means that you're moving towards a more secure, bright future. I'm not clarifying that again. It's a given, right? Now, Ace of Pentacles in the immediate future. That's your card, guys. Death. Transformation. So with this offer coming in, that's a huge transformation. Death of a cycle and starting of another. Slow growth, but there is growth. Look at the positives, okay? I always feel that there is growth here with the Seven of Pentacles. So there is some kind of transition towards bringing that growth here. And with the Queen of Cups here, this clearly says that there is a growth in the way you look or feel things as well. Now, Ace of Cups. Let me give it a shuffle. Ace of Cups. Why is the Ace of Cups here? Clarify the Ace of Cups. Shadow side, Capricorn energy. This can be about somebody who's been very much addicted to you, or you are addicted to this person. And we have the Moon here, two major arcanas coming together again. Look at that. Now, this is all about bringing changes to a situation where you are really addicted. There are things coming out into the open for more clarity. Okay. We have a new love coming, and Ace of Cups clarified by the Ace of Cups. How many times have we got those cards together, right? So this is somebody telling you how they feel about you. They might be coming out of their addiction state and making changes and let things flow towards you. I feel that they might be confessing that they love you or something. All right. Or this is an offer of a lifetime. This is something which you really love here. So keep an open eye on that. Okay. Now the Emperor. Eight of Pentacles. So this is all about you taking courage, and you are being very strong and putting work and effort into a situation here with the Eight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and bringing stability into your life. With the King of Pentacles, there's money. You are going to be very, very much stable and um, in moving towards a phase of more stability in terms of financial. All right. Now, Ten of Wands in your environment. Two of Pentacles. So there is juggling here. You're trying to find a balance here, or you might be thinking about finding a balance because somebody has left you in the cold, or you might feel that they have left you in the cold with the Five of Pentacles. Why is the Ace of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles here? Maybe that's the burden you're holding on to because you do not know how to move forward about it. Yeah. I really feel that they're coming towards you with the Eight of Wands. There is communication coming in with this person. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Alright. Now, Ten of Pentacles. Why is the Ten of Pentacles here? King of Cups. So I feel that you're being more emotionally stable. You're understanding things more clearly. Very loving, very kind energy here. That is your energy. So with the stability into your life, you're being more mature. You're thinking more maturely. And there is a new love offer coming towards you with the Page of Cups, or an offer which you really love coming towards you, okay? This is your energy. Or once you feel that you are stable, you are settled in your life, I really feel that you are offering your cup to somebody else. Okay, let's see. Why is the Justice here? Clarify the Justice, please. Why is the Justice here? High Priestess. Oh my God. All right. You have all the knowledge here. You have all the knowledge to proceed. You know what's coming towards you. So you know that there is justice coming towards you, right? And the Four of Pentacles. I feel that maybe most probably you're holding on to the things from the past because you know that they're going to come back and justice will be served and truth will prevail. With the Ace of Swords, it means that there is clarity here, right? And I feel that the truth is coming out here, or you're cutting off unwanted people here. Ending of a cycle with a World card. Oh, wow. So I feel that you are coming to a place where where you're cutting off unwanted things, or where you're cutting off people who you have been holding on to and which wasn't serving any purpose for you. So you know that you're cutting off them off, and which brings that justice, right? Which brings that fairness to all in your situation here. Beautiful reading, Scorpio. I really loved your reading. It's beautiful. Now, if you really liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys. That's brilliant reading right there. All right. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.